friends, second video of our LinkedIn series, and here we will talk about creating job alerts. So open linkedin.com in your browser and this page will appear. Click on sign in if you have an account. If not, then just sign up. I will click on sign in and then give my username and password to sign in into the application. So this is the landing page of my LinkedIn profile. I will click on jobs tab as I showed in my last video, and then based on the location I want to look for it, I will put the location, in this case India, and I will click on search. This will give me some search results. I mean too many of them, and then I basically can either click on job alert on this particular part, or I can trim it down by going towards all filters. Here I can select n number of filters, which you can see in my previous video, based on when it was posted, what kind of experience level I have, what kind of job type I'm looking for, the location I'm interested in. So let me select Delhi in this particular case. Then the industry I'm interested in, so like computer softwares, and I belong to oil and gas, so I will select that part as well. And then the job function I'm interested in, so like in my previous video, like similar to that, product management. And after selecting all these filters, what I can do is I can just click on apply, and now the search has trimmed down from thousands to only 12 in this particular case. So these are the jobs which is based on the filters I've applied. Now what I can do is I can directly click on the option on the top. It says job alert off, so I click on option, and then from here I can see whether I want this notification daily or weekly. In this case I will select as daily, and then how I want to get notified by this, right? So either by emails or by LinkedIn notifications. I can select both the options together and then just save it. So this is one job alert I have saved in my LinkedIn profile based on the filters which I created. So let's say now I want to change my search location from India to Gurgaon. So I just go to the top and change it to Gurgaon, Haryana, and then the new search will apply. I can again go back to all filters and select the location to Gurgaon from the job filters option. Once I select that, I just apply that filter again, and then it will trim down to all the jobs based on the filters and the location, in this case which is Gurgaon. I can again click on this. I can again do the same, whether I want a daily notification and email notification, I save it. So basically now I have created two different job alerts based on two different locations, right? Now if I go back to my home tab, then go to jobs and click on job alerts option, I will be able to see that those two job alerts which I created are now saved in my LinkedIn profile. And based on these two job alerts and the filters assigned to these alerts, I will start getting LinkedIn notification as well as my email notifications, and then can directly apply to them. I hope this video will help you to create your own job alerts.